Hey there, coding enthusiasts. Ever messed up your code so badly you wished you could go back in time? We've all been there. That's where version control systems like Git come in handy. Think of Git as a time machine for your projects. It lets you track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others seamlessly. Git is like having a detailed history of your code's evolution. You can see every modification, who made it, and when. This is super helpful for debugging, experimenting with new features, and understanding your project's development journey. But Git's true power lies in collaboration. It allows multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously without overwriting each other's changes. Imagine building a Lego masterpiece with friends without bumping elbows or confusing pieces. That's Git. Okay, so Git is cool, but why should care? Well, whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned developer, Git is your new best friend. First off, it's free and open source, meaning you can use it without spending a dime. Plus, it's incredibly efficient, making your workflow smoother than ever. Git is like the Swiss Army knife of software development tools. It's used by everyone from individual programmers working on personal projects to massive tech companies developing complex applications. Learning Git is an investment in your coding future. But it's not just about practicality. Git fosters a collaborative spirit. It allows you to contribute to open source projects, learn from others' code, and showcase your own skills to the world. It's like joining a global community of passionate programmers. Now let's talk about GitHub. If Git is the engine, GitHub is the garage where your code lives. It's a web-based platform that provides a central location to store and manage Git repositories. Think of it as a social network for your code. GitHub allows you to share your projects with the world, collaborate with other developers, and contribute to open-source software. It's also a fantastic place to discover new projects, learn from experienced programmers, and build your coding portfolio. With GitHub, you can easily track issues, manage bug reports, and even host your project's website. It's the ultimate tool for taking your coding projects to the next level. Ready to dive into the world of Git and GitHub? First things first, you'll need a GitHub account. Don't worry, it's super easy and free. Just head over to github.com and click on the sign up button. You'll need to provide a username, email address, and password. Once you've filled out the form, GitHub might ask you to solve a puzzle to prove you're not a robot. Don't worry, it's just a quick security check. After verifying your email address, you're officially part of the GitHub community. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step into the exciting world of collaborative coding. Section 5. Setting up Git installation and configuration. Now that you have a GitHub account, let's set up Git on your computer. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Just head over to the official Git website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Git plays nicely with various operating systems, so you'll be up and running in no time. After installing Git, it's essential to configure it with your user information. This helps identify you when making changes to your code. Simply open your terminal or command prompt and type in the following commands, replacing your name and your .email at example.com with your actual information: git config, global user.name, your name, git config, global user.email, your .email at example.com. That's it. You've successfully configured Git on your machine. Section 6. Mastering the basics, essential Git commands. Now let's learn some basic Git commands that will make your coding life much easier. Think of these commands as your Git superpowers. This command allows you to create a copy of a remote repository on your local machine. Think of it as downloading a project from GitHub to your computer. This command shows you the status of your working directory. It tells you which files have been modified, added, or deleted. This command adds changes in your working directory to the staging area. It's like preparing your changes for a commit. This command saves your changes to the local repository. It's like taking a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time. Always include a descriptive message with your commit to explain the changes you made. This command uploads your local commits to the remote repository. It's like syncing your changes with GitHub, making them accessible to others. Section 7. Branching out. Managing different versions of your code. One of Git's most powerful features is branching. Imagine branches as separate timelines for your code. You can create a new branch to work on a specific feature without affecting the main codebase. Creating a branch is like creating a safe space to experiment and make changes without the fear of breaking things. Once you're happy with your changes, you can merge them back into the main branch. To create a new branch, use the command. To switch to a different branch, use the command. To merge a branch into the current branch, use the command. Section 8. Navigating merge conflicts. Resolving conflicts, like a pro, sometimes when merging branches, Git might encounter conflicts. This happens when changes in different branches affect the same lines of code. Don't panic, conflicts are a normal part of collaborative coding. When a conflict occurs, Git will highlight the conflicting lines of code in your files. You'll need to manually resolve these conflicts by choosing which changes to keep and which to discard. Once you've resolved the conflicts, you can add and commit the changes to complete the merge. Remember, communication is key when resolving conflicts. Talk to your teammates and agree on the best solution. Section 9. Forking repositories, contributing to open source. Forking is another awesome feature of GitHub that allows you to create a copy of someone else's repository. This is super useful for contributing to open source projects. When you fork a repository, you get your own copy that you can modify without affecting the original project. Once you've made your changes, you can submit a pull request to the original repository owner, asking them to merge your changes. Forking is a great way to learn from experienced developers, contribute to meaningful projects, and build your coding portfolio. It's like joining a global community of passionate programmers working together to make awesome